Welcome to today's recipe. Golonka, the traditional Polish pork knuckle that's tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's cook it step by step. First, take your pork knuckle and pat it dry. For extra flavor and crispiness, you can dry brine it by rubbing salt all over and leaving it uncovered in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. If short on time, just season it generously with salt and pepper. Lightly score the skin in a diamond pattern so the flavors soak in. Next, prepare the braising liquid. In a large pot, place the knuckle along with quartered onions, chopped carrots, celery, smashed garlic, bay leaves, caraway seeds, and black peppercorns. Pour in beer or stock until the meat is just covered. Bring it to a gentle boil, skim off any foam, then reduce to a low simmer. Cover partially and let it cook for 1.5 to 2 hours until the meat is fork tender. If you're using a pressure cooker, cook under high pressure for about 40-50 minutes. Once tender, carefully remove the knuckle and pat the skin completely dry. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Brush the skin with a little oil or a mixture of honey and mustard for extra flavor. Place the knuckle on a rack in a roasting tray and roast for 30-45 minutes until the skin turns golden and crispy. For extra blistering, finish under the broiler for a few minutes while watching closely. While the knuckle roasts, strain the braising liquid and simmer it to reduce slightly. Whisk in a little mustard or butter for shine and thicken with cornstarch if desired. Once roasted, let the pork knuckle rest for 8-10 minutes to allow the juices to redistribute. Serve it hot with sauerkraut, boiled potatoes, or crusty bread, and drizzle some of the reduced sauce over the meat. Garnish with fresh parsley for a beautiful presentation, and that's it, a perfect Golonka ready to enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more delicious recipes.